Our subconscious mind programming affects every aspect of our lives, including our beliefs, habits, and behaviors. It's often said that we're only using a small fraction of our potential, and that's because our subconscious is holding us back. Let me explain how to tackle this. Much of our subconscious programming occurs during the first 7 years of our life, when our brains are in a highly suggestible state. During this time, we absorb everything around us, including beliefs and behaviors from our family, culture, and environment. This programming can be both positive and negative, and it can affect us for the rest of our lives if we don't become aware of it and work to change it. To break free from negative subconscious programming, we need to become aware of it and challenge our beliefs and behaviors. This can be a difficult process, as many of our subconscious beliefs are deeply ingrained and can feel like a part of who we are. One way to start this process is to become more mindful of your thoughts and behaviors. Notice when you're engaging in a behavior that isn't serving you, and ask yourself where that behavior might have come from. You can also try journaling to uncover deeper beliefs and patterns. Write down your thoughts and feelings about a particular situation, and then look for patterns or themes that emerge. Another powerful tool for breaking free from negative subconscious programming is hypnotherapy. Hypnotherapy can help you access your subconscious mind and reprogram it with positive beliefs and behaviors. Remember that breaking free from negative subconscious programming is a process, and it's important to be patient and compassionate with yourself. It's also important to surround yourself with positive influences and a supportive community. By becoming aware of your subconscious programming and taking steps to change it, you can unleash your full potential and live a more fulfilling and authentic life. It will take time, but it's worth it as it will change your life.